What's up, guys? Today we are at the hill in the park with a four-wheel drive truck under $100 to have some RC family fun. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's hanging out with Abby. Popeye is at the house. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today, as I said in the intro, we are at the big hill to do some hill climb challenge fun with this very cool little RC buggy that we picked up. It was right around $70, which is a really good price point for something to be completely ready to run. That tire on the back there is an actual usable tire, very cool. And this is turning out to be one of my favorite styles of RC vehicles. It has fully proportional throttle, fully proportional steering. It's a brushed motor setup. Again, I said completely ready to run. You get this nice little transmitter with it with throttle trim and steering trim. You can turn the throttle down for the kiddos and crank it up to full speed for yourself. And then what's really nice is the batteries we're seeing this more and more often. I asked you guys in the last video if you think this is kind of the trend that the hobby is going in, because
and this is the other truck that has a similar body style that I said was coming to the channel soon.
Yes, that's right.
Similar body, different, or similar underneath things. Different body.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This one costs about $5 more, and I think that's because
it looks cooler.
It is cooler, I think, yeah, in my opinion. Now, this is what I don't like about this. This is very, very odd. Check this out. After I take the 4 body clips off, now maybe I just had a big brain fart, but
probably.
It's very possible.
Oh,
look at this. Now that
hinges
right there.
That's weird.
Kind of interesting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the battery system is all plugged in and wired in, but really you just have those e-cigarette, I think they're called 18650s or something. Yeah, so very common, easy to get your hands on these things. The USB charge cable is at the house, just like the other one though, so no need to show it. I think that's my least favorite system, is that little hinging thing, but no reason to really hate on it too hard with that. I'm starting to like the batteries that are in here a lot more and more. So without further ado, and before I lose these body clips, let's just have some ramping and hill climb bashing fun with this.
Charger on, yeah.
Charger 03.
Okay, I like your shirt.
Yeah, I always get compliments on this shirt.
Leave your comments now. Will this make it up the hill? I say no problem.
I think it'll make it. Get the steering trim, get the throttle trim all the way up. Let's bring our ramp with the Sailor sticker.
Nice.
Oh yeah, this is fun. This is good. I like this. I just like this style of vehicle. Well, the batteries are good and fresh. Let's just try to climb up the hill. I have the throttle trim turned all the way up, but I'm only going to go about half throttle on this first go. Oh, there's those little sticks, the twigs. That's one more time. We can do this. On these little guys, you just hit one little spot and it just messes with them. Oh, there's a root. Let's see if I can.
We need to clear the hill.
We need to bring a weed eater out here. They used to do it here, the people that worked here, but now I don't know. I think they saw our videos and they're like, you know what? They need a challenge to get up that hill. Wouldn't you know it? There's only one car in the park today and they're right here with us. I am stuck.
Come on, Nathan.
I know this can be done.
Drives about like the other one, huh?
There we go, there we go. Perfect, perfect. We made it, no problem. Just those little sticks and twigs got in the way, but it made it. Would you like to see if you can climb the hill?
Sure.
Okay, so let's do a full throttle drive-by really quick, and then I'll pass the controls off to you. I gotta trim it up a hair. Here we go. Well, what's gonna happen with that ramp there, you think?
You're gonna break our truck, that's what I think.
Abby's at the controls. See what you got? Oh, you're gonna hit
the hill?
Yeah, the hill, whatever you want, really. It's an awesome little RC. Look at you go, look at you go, look at you go. There's that one tiny little stick. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, no, 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 no. That's challenging. You gotta hit it in the right spot. It's very dry out right now too, so makes it a little harder. You got this, you got this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, no. Oh, Abby, I thought you had it. Here we go. This is the one. This is it. Those little twigs. Oh no. I have to help you. Oh no. Oh no. That might be the big downside to not having a giant truck. That was really stuck. You got it, you got it. This is it, this is it. Okay, that's it. If you don't have it now, no. Oh, okay, you got it. This thing is cool. Nice, you got it. I think it's time to ramp a little bit now that we both conquered the hill with it. All right, you hit the ramp a couple times and then I'll hit the ramp a couple times.
Probably gonna miss it a couple times.
You can do it, you can do it. Blast it! No, no, Abby! Try number 2. You got this, you got this. Yeah, okay, at 2 miles an hour, but it happened. One more ramp and then I'll take back over the controls, see if we can break this thing.
You're good at that.
I am. Woo! Not bad. Not bad. It kind of bounces a lot when it hits.
Okay.
Alright, my turn, my turn, my turn. Okay, you do the gravel. It just looks cool. I like the paint job on it, don't you? The, like multi-colors. Let's get a close shot of this thing in the sun. Let's get a close shot of this thing in the sun here. Look how cool this looks. I love the design on there. Abby's not letting me get a close shot of that. She just wants to kick up the dirt and dust all over it.
River Stunner! My favorite.
It's a very bouncy ride, but it's not one to roll over a lot. You know, knock on wood, so far, we haven't done much rolling with it, have we? Trying to keep those a little bit clean. Okay, I gotta hit that ramp really quick. Let's see how it does in the grass, too. Oh, yeah, no problem. Oh, oh, oh!
You like didn't even hit anything.
No, I know. Oh.
1.
You know, I said this about the other truck and I'll say it about this one too, because we're not here to sugarcoat things and sell this truck to you. We're here to just show you the good, the bad, everything about this vehicle. The steering servo in this thing is a little weak, and even though I have it trimmed up really nicely right now, once you kind of steer in one direction, it kind of stays in that direction a little bit. But I'm gonna hit this ramp and then we gotta go because there's a car coming. Yeah! That was a good one. Okay, let's get the ramp.
Oh, they open the gate and then we deal with the cars going by. All right.
Just let us know. Are there people that are subscribed to our channel that just want to come back here and watch us do the videos live? Because there's like tons of people that just drive back here just to drive back here. Here we go. Yeah, that was really good.
Whoa, what'd you snap?
Nothing.
I think you snapped something.
No, that was just a gravel.
Okay,
like,
sounded rough.
No, no, no. Well, that was a lot of air for this little guy. Here comes another car.
Yeah, I know, that was crazy.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah! All right, we gotta move.
I think the bumper is taking the brunt of the hits. Looks fine to me.
Yeah, tough little booger.
Cool.
Okay, it is definitely time to bash this on our favorite little bashing spot because this kicks up so much dirt and dust. And this is like a little desert buggy, so, oh, are you kidding? That should be the only time, I hope. Look at this thing, it's dry out, and so it is just kicking it up. Oh, those roots, those roots. It's like I see the roots and I just drive toward them.
It is a little hard to steer though with this.
It is, yeah. It needs a steering servo upgrade at some point, I think. I mean, it's definitely drivable, but it's going to eventually need some kind of an upgrade. But out of the box, for under $100, I think this thing is great. Now, there's definitely some other things out there that we really like the WL Toys 12428 you guys need to check out. If you're in the market, you got to check out some of our videos on that thing. But this thing is awesome, and to have that different battery style, the 18650s, is that what it's called, Abby?
Yep.
18650. I mean, it's quick if you want it to be. Check this out too. Throttle trim, we just turn that all the way down. We'll just go about half. Then at full throttle,
it's a lot slower.
It is a lot slower, yeah. Here, we'll do it on the asphalt. It's easier to see, I think. We'll just kind of do a drive-by. That's full throttle. Okay, now I'll turn that all the way up. Oops, I did steering trim. throttle trim all the way up. It was probably only a quarter of the way down. Oops, I gotta really fix that steering trim. I messed that up. Okay, here we go. There's full throttle by. I didn't really turn that throttle trim down very much, so let's turn it down all the way. All right, let's do this throttle trim thing. So, sorry about the random cuts. Now that's full throttle. I've got it trimmed down quite a bit, and remember, I messed with the steering trim. So, we've had a lot of traffic come through here today, so we keep turning the camera on and off, but that's full throttle, right? I've got my trigger finger down all the way. You could do that for a little kid if you're afraid of them hitting something. Look, I'll go full throttle and hit the back side of that ramp. You can see, like, at this speed, you're not gonna do any damage to anything, right? But a little kid can have fun with that. Oh man, I crashed. Well, now, you take control, turn the knob all the way back up. Here, we'll go all the way. And then, we can really, major difference. And I think that's really why that is on the truck, I believe. Okay, here we go. Full throttle, hitting the ramp. Wow!
How many cartwheels did that just do?
I don't know. Let's see if we can hit it this way. Oh, I did a wheel. I did a full backflip. Oh, I am just a big kid at heart.
You are.
Oh man. Oh, this little buggy is awesome. Okay, let me straighten up my ramp. I want to know, of the people watching right now, how many of you are big kids at heart? And if you're out driving something like that and you smash into a pole, you laugh like me, or you like, I gotta fix it, you know? I just laugh. I think it's fun. So if you're a big kid at heart, let us know in the comments below. You don't have to say your name or anything. Whoa, that was awesome. Did you see that?
I did.
That was really good.
Do that again.
I'll try.
Like, do it 5 more times.
That was cool. Awesome. And I'm doing it from the side here, so that peripheral vision. Ugh. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see if we can do it again. Yeah, that's not bad. Oh, I did not stick the landing.
Is this truck gonna walk away today?
I think so, because you know what? It's lightweight, so that means the plastic is less likely to snap under the weight of the vehicle, right? When I hit stuff like that. Here we go, here we go. Oh, I missed it. Oh, peripheral vision is so hard on these. Man.
My favorite's full throttle past the ramp. I love it.
Okay, let's see.
I do it all the time.
I can do this. I can do this. Yeah! I almost stuck that landing. Guys, this thing is just super well rounded. Obviously, it's really tough. I have hit this ramp with like a $200 truck before and it snapped on the second ramp. So I'm a big fan of this. I love that it comes with those style of batteries now. Oh, no, no, no. I like this. It is a little bit bouncy on the back, and I think that's the culprit for some of these flips, but it also looks really cool. Now, you could take that tire off of the back if you wanted to, but I think it really adds to the look of it. The runtime is great. I still feel like that's full throttle. I still feel like, here's full throttle. Still doing really good. You know, we've had some pauses and brakes. I went off-roading there.
It fell. Oh.
Let's see if I can hit the ramp one more time. It's just really, I like this. I like ramping with this one. Here we go. Come on, little guy. Oh, I just got 2 wheels on. Oh, that was the worst one yet, for sure.
Painful.
Let's go see if it's in one piece together. Oh, no. If it lived after that, this might be the most durable RC buggy or desert buggy that we've had on the channel. Let's take a close look at it. Get that leaf off of there. Bumper looks pretty good. I got a little cut out of it from hitting the asphalt. Still have all my little lights are still popped on. The body clips are still on.
There's no actual lights in there. There's just buckets.
No, unfortunately. Those are just empty light buckets, but you could easily add lights. It's ready for them. Guys, I really like this. I still have my battery clips on there. Everything is still in one piece. This thing is awesome. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself, but I think we are going to take this home and charge it up and have some more fun with this. If you like the other truck too that we had on the channel, to pick up 2 of them would be really cool to race these around together and bash and stuff. A lot of people that are new to the hobby will ask us, can you run more than one together? Because let's face it, like 10 years ago, that didn't used to be a thing. You couldn't do that without having to do some homework. First, you had to, is this 2.4 gigahertz? Is it 27 megahertz? Is it 39 megahertz? Hey, you can run hundreds of these things together and not have to worry about interference. So I like it. Big thumbs up from us. We'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.